Hello everyone and welcome back to Muscle Linux Fitness, and today we're going to be cleaning the elevation mask. That's right, these are the steps to take, so follow along very goodly. Alright, first you're going to have to take it off your face obviously, then you're going to have to take these clips off of the mask like so, and then the actual plugs that create the elevation simulation, taking off the part that is strapped onto your face, and then it just becomes the mask by itself, which is a rubber form of texture and some plastic. As you can tell, I'm rinsing it off with some warm water for about a minute to a minute and a half, and then I'm going to do both sides obviously. And then after you do that, you want to clean it off with a alcoholic rag or glass cleaner stuff, and then you're going to want to go ahead and spray some cleaning solution into there on top and all around it. Make sure that you don't go easy on the spraying solution, just to make sure that the mask is extra clean. And then you're going to obviously rinse that afterward, and then we're going to go ahead and move on to what we'll do next. After that, we clean off all these separate cylinders on the mask with some warm water, once again rinsing it for about a minute to a minute and a half. And then obviously the plungers inside of the mask that create the simulation, you're going to be rinsing those off for a minute to a minute and a half with warm water. It'll be a little bit hot. Then you're going to create some warm water, obviously plug up the drain. You're going to spray a bunch of solution and put a couple of runs of alcohol into the water. Let it sit there for about 2 minutes and just soak for a little bit. Obviously spray a bunch of cleaning solution in there, pull it out to the side over here, and then we're going to clean that off with another rag with alcohol on it. This is just to make sure that there are no germs and it is clean as it possibly can get. That is for each and every single cylinder, and also the, what I like to call them, plugs that create the elevation simulation. And then before our next step, we're going to put them back on exactly the way they were, the way they're supposed to go to create the elevation simulation as it should be. And then we're going to go ahead and come over here and dry off the mask inside on both sides. Dry off the inside a little bit more than the top part, because water will get into those cracks and crevices where it's supposed to sit around and actually create that elevation simulation. Make sure that those are nice and dry, and then just to make sure, we're gonna sat it out, and then gonna go ahead and let that dry for about 5 or 10 minutes. Alright, next up is the elevation mask strap-on. Okay, so we're just gonna spray it really good with the solution, both sides. Don't be shy with the cleaning solution that you spray on it. Then we're going to rinse it out really good with some warm water. Don't want it to make it too hot, obviously. You want it just the right temperature. Rinse that out once again for about a minute to a minute and a half. And then we're going to go ahead and throw that on the fan as well. Alright, everything's all dried up now, and thank you for watching. Have a great day. Grab life by the horns, unleash your inner bull, and see you next time.